So let's say we're looking at the forearm flexors here. We know that we've got pronator teres here, which is really indicative in terms of carpal tunnel syndrome. We have the median nerve that runs under there, so we have a trigger point in that area. If we were to use these cups in regards to engaging in the area of that trigger point site, quite simply, all you have to do, place the cup right over the trigger point site. So you're going to find that trigger point site just by a little bit of palpation. Okay, so we place the cup over there. We don't need any lubrication. Right over the center of the trigger point, just press down the center of it, and obviously what will happen is it'll engage the tissue, and obviously it'll suction on there, and now we're in what we call static cupping. So if we've got areas where we've got potentially active trigger points, we can most definitely use this static approach. So the idea from here is that you can leave the cup on from anywhere to 3, 10 minutes, whatever the case may be. It is highly debated how long you leave these cups on for. My rule of thumb for me, I tend to feel anywhere from 3 to 10 minutes, but there may be a situation there where you're on bigger muscles, broader muscles, where you may leave them on a little bit longer. Now, to take them off, it's quite simple. You just lift one edge, and obviously that'll release the suction. Quite simple. Okay, so let's go over it again. Trigger point site right here. Okay, bring right over the center of the trigger point, press down in the middle. Obviously that'll engage, create the vacuum there, and then it's obviously suction there. So we're not actually gliding here. What you can do is sometimes you can start to mobilize the tissue itself while it's still attached, so that's not a problem at all. That gives us a bit of an overview of how you can use static cupping when you're looking at treating the trigger points. So how would you engage and integrate this in? It's quite simple. You know, obviously we're going to be looking at massaging the area using the NAT protocols as we do, but at the same time we can also engage after using that, placing the cup over and then doing a static approach as well.